Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. If you're looking for something to warm you up on those chilly spring mornings, then this Duraflame infrared heater is perfect for you. I absolutely love this heater. I think it is so great. Not only is it beautiful, but it is also super functional. This pumps out heat like nothing I've ever had before. It has so many great options. You can change the heat from 62 degrees all the way up to 82. And let me tell you, that will heat up a room so quickly. We've had this heater for years and it works so well. It also has the option to turn the faux fireplace off if you want heat without flame. You can also use the fireplace without the heat if you're looking to add a little ambiance to a room that you're in. I think this is such a great option to have instead of having to turn your heat on. We have it out in a mudroom that doesn't have any heat or cooling in it. So we use this thing all winter long to keep that room warm. It's also really lightweight, so it can be moved around from room to room, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. So you can really use it anywhere in your home. I really love this little infrared heater. I think it is great to have in any home. So if you're looking for something that's going to warm you up without breaking the bank, then definitely get this heater from Duraflame. I think it is absolutely worth purchasing, and that is my point of view.